Hello from Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods in Canfield, Ohio. First, we want to communicate a tremendous thank you to all of the doctors, nurses, police, first responders, food service personnel, our farmers, and all of our local, state, and national leaders during this unprecedented time. Second, the Baird family would like to express a sincere thank you to our valued customers, dedicated employees, and they've all demonstrated patience and unwavering commitment during our 2-week shutdown period earlier in April. And now that we're back to a limited opening basis, they've really stuck by us the last 3 weeks and helping us navigate our way through this business landscape. As of today, we are processing online and phone orders. Will call curbside pickup is available for all prepaid items or items on account at our Canfield location. We are also providing regional truck deliveries via our Baird Brothers delivery trucks in Ohio and Pennsylvania at a discounted rate. And we're also serving our national customer base through our common carrier and small package delivery partners. Moving forward, Baird Brothers manufacturing and sales teams are back to full force as of Monday, May 4th. This allows us to expand our previously limited hours of operation back to normal business hours, 7:30 till 4 Monday through Friday and 7:30 till noon on Saturdays. We are very appreciative of how our customers have accepted and adapted to our online phone-in order program for our will call curbside pickup. We encourage you to continue this safe, efficient, and convenient means of placing and receiving your orders. In recognizing the needs of our customers, our showroom is now available by appointment only. This allows our local and regional clients to visit with an experienced salesperson who can assist in the selection and ordering of quality interior doors, hardwood flooring, molding, stair components, and all of the other quality products Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods has to offer. Again, the showroom selection and order process will be by appointment only, allowing us to maintain a safe environment for you, our customer, and our employees. Our warehouses will remain off limits to customers at this time. Employees will be utilizing face protection and practicing 6-foot distance guidelines. Our facilities are being cleaned hourly and after business hours to ensure our employees' safety and our customers' safety. We request that our customers visiting our facility practice the guidelines set forth by the governor and other officials by wearing a protective face mask when visiting Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. Quoting Lieutenant Governor Huston, "Wearing a face mask is something we do out of mutual respect for one another. To schedule a showroom appointment, please call 330-727-0799 to speak with me directly, or email info@bairdbrothers.com or stevestack@bairdbrothers.com. You can also visit our website, bairdbrothers.com, and click on the showroom appointment link located on the header and view available appointment schedules. For contractors and homeowners with large-scale projects, remember, our outside sales team is now available for job site visits at your projects. Again, a heartfelt thank you from the entire Baird team for your continued support and understanding. Good health, stay safe, together we are strong.